Okay, first grade, thanks for visiting me in the first phonics video, and now we have our second phonics video, but this should be super easy because we're just going to add a new snap word to the snap word wall. Oh, but not on this. Hold on just a second. All right, so we have a new word to add. This is the word no, and not like no, I don't want to take a nap. It's no, like I know how to tie my shoes. A totally different type of no. And I think this one is really interesting because we looked at it earlier, right? And we used it in our sort. So we should have some background knowledge to help us figure out and really study this word. So we know when we're doing snap words, we want to follow all of the steps to make it a snap word. So let's read it together. No. Let's study it. Well, we've kind of done that already, right? One thing that's really interesting about the word no is there's this K and N at the beginning. It's not the word canoe. This K is silent, and we just make the N sound. Okay, so that's the first thing I want you to know. The second thing I want you to know is that the OW at the end makes the O sound like in rainbow. Okay, so we just studied that, so you should be super confident with it. This is the word no. All right, let's spell it. K-N-O-W. All right, take out your cameras and take a quick snapshot. All right, and let's put that over there. Go ahead and write it, and I'll bring it back in just a moment to check it. All right, we're going to slide this back in. Let's check it. K-N-O-W. Excellent. Now, the last step, as always, is to use it in a sentence. Do you know how to bake a cake? Now, this sentence is tricky because we have no with the OW that makes the O sound, and we have how with the OW that makes the OW sound. So you have to be really, really careful and really think about what would make sense. And you know, Mrs. Miller, when she's taught us reading, has given us a really good strategy that if something doesn't work one way, we can try it another way. So if OW and saying O doesn't work, try OW and see if OW makes sense. In this word, we hear the O sound, like in rainbow. And I will add that to our virtual word wall, and your teachers will add that to your class word wall. All right, guys, have a great day. I'll see you soon.